Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install items from Control Center to menu bar on macOS Big Sur. Control Center on macOS Big Sur has changed from the last macOS versions. You may now have a bunch of controls in one place on Control Center, but if you need easier access to a control item on your menu bar, it is quite simple. Just drag the item from Control Center to the menu bar. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.